Non-sterile gloves protect us from blood and bodily fluids. But often, gloves are used when not necessary. This unnecessary use across all NHS operating theatres produces more carbon emissions than flying from London to Seattle every day. Research shows for tasks not involving contact with blood and bodily fluid, gel or hand washing gives better protection from pathogens. So it's safer for staff and patients. Let's stop unnecessary glove use. Protect patients, ourselves, and the planet.